different rates. So if I calculate on 10% and I don't get the answer, so I'm getting confused. I should go for 15 or I should directly go for 20.
Very good
So
question. So now when you are calculating, there is a component of outflow. Say for
yes,
example, I got the outflow of, let us take your own example, which was there in the question, 1 lakh rupees. Okay. And when you did your calculation, you got the inflow total, PV, present value of inflow, say for example 95,000, and your rate was 20%. So once you got that 95%, we know that now if I will increase the rate, the value will decrease.
decrease,
And now I will decrease the rate, the value will increase. So
increase.
rather than having the jump of 1%, I will take the jump of 10 or 5%. Choice is yours. But I take 10% because here you will never get exact answer. But approx exact is there. That is why I told you higher and lower rate ka range, even though there is 10%, there is no much difference. There are slight difference after decimal. Chalta hai, no problem. Logically, we are right. I hope things are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Bachcha. God bless you and all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 4, absent. Roll number 5, 6. Oh, why I am wasting time? Roll number 10.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. I think you are from BAF or what?
No, sir, from BCom only, not from BAF.
Okay. Just put your first page of index. Let me see. और थोड़ा नजदीक ला बेटा. हाँ. So every time whenever you do the indexation, you should write your name, class, roll number, division, okay,
Okay, sir.
and the title, yani which topic you started, on which page it is. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if you will see how many pages you have completed for your assignment, classwork, and I always expect you all to keep only one notebook which comprises everything. Yes, beta.
110, sir.
Superb. So, देखो, we have already completed 1.5 month, and student has completed more than 100 pages, 110, 115, 120 pages. It shows that yes, we are going on the right direction. 3 big chapters of practical, your ratio, your cash flow, your capital budgeting. These are really very big chapters. You have completed on time. Very good. Uh, Now, Shweta, very simple question from you. Any 5 ratio of balance sheet ratio.
Sir, I am not prepared for the Viva.
ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? Not correct. Very simple. You have not cleared your TY BCom.
Sir, I have cleared.
So in SY BCom you were not studying management accounting.
Yes, sir, I have studied.
So I'm asking from that only, no? Any 5 ratio I want. So I'm giving you opportunity any 5 ratio. Now I want the name as well as formula. Not good. See your notebook. See now. You must have written ratios after certain theory. There are formulas. Have you written?
Yes, I have written.
Which are those ratios?
Revenue statement ratio,
That is
and
P&L
balance sheet combined ratio,
ratio. So first start with balance sheet ratio. See which are the name of those ratios.
stock to working ratio is a balance sheet ratio.
I want all. Your assignment is incomplete. Nikita, I ask you to help her. Her assignment is not up to the mark. She has not written all the formulas. Next time, be prepared and
Okay,
come.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 11. Show me your notebook. Rather, assignment book. First and foremost, next time I don't want the things on pages.
Okay, sir.
Very
Okay,
clear.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. Because during exam, you will be lost in these different pages. Be careful.
Yeah,
It
sure.
should be compiled, and even though it is pages, it should be there in one either folder or something properly with all the page numbers. This is not the way
Okay,
to
sir.
keep the assignment.
Yeah.
So how many pages it is with you?
71.
71. Same question goes to you because Sweta will learn from your explanation. Any
Same.
5 ratio or balance sheet.
Sir, capital ratio, um, quick ratio, working capital, solvency ratio, and uh, debt to equity ratio.
And very popular current ratio you have missed.
Oh, yeah, sorry, sir.
Sweta, these are very common ratio. Current ratio, quick ratio, working capital ratio, debt equity ratio. I mean, every student they know it. You have to improvise a lot.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the formula so that it will be easy for her to? What is the formula for debt to equity?
Formula debt to equity. Uh, debt to equity formula.
Now forum is open. Any other student can give me the answer. Other student who are participating, they can give their
Long-term
answer.
debit divided by equity.
So Abhi, now you started answering, and few minutes before you were not knowing anything.
Sir,
Formula
debt
for-
upon equity.
हो गया ना बेटा? He has already given the answer. Current ratio,
Current asset upon current liability.
current asset upon current.
Current asset liability.
Sri Hari and Mehak नहीं बोलेगा. Let the answer come from these two guys. Roll number 10 and
Sorry,
11.
sorry, sir.
അടുത്ത
Working capital ratio.
വർക്കിംഗ് ക്യാപിറ്റൽ
I mean stock working capital ratio.
Stock divided by working capital.
शाबाश, अभी सब याद आने लगा.
Ratio.
Quick ratio.
ఫార్ములా
Quick ratio.
క్విక్
Current assets upon current liability.
Absolutely wrong answer. Quick asset upon quick liability. Next, roll number 13.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
12,
sir.
12, sir. You missed 12. Srihari.
Yes. I know you will going to get me the good answer. Chalo, Srihari. Show me your assignment book. Put your video mode on. Show me your assignment book. See how nicely all the books he is referring. Very good, bacha. Your roll number should be written on your notebook. Your name and roll number should be there on first page, Srihari. I want first page
Yes.
to be.
The name is there. Roll number I forgot. Abhi.
You write now.
Yes, sir.
वो दिखाओ. कैमरा उधर फोकस करो. Not on your face, but on your notebook. Yes, very correct. Okay, how many pages it is there, Srihari?
Sir, above 100.
Above 100.
Above 100.
Very good. See, everything will be very simple for you. Okay, you just give
Yes.
the explanation about ratio to these two children who were lagging behind, which was our first chapter. How many types of ratio is there? Why we have subdivided? And few ratio of P&L, few ratio of balance sheet, and few ratio of combined in nature. Over to you.
Okay, sir. So basically, there are 3 types of ratios. First is the balance sheet ratio. Second is the profit and loss account ratios, and third is the combined ratios. 3 groups of ratios, and ratio is
I think I am unable to hear you.
it helps us to analyze the balance sheet figures and profit and loss account. Profit and loss account figures and draw meaningful conclusions from it.
Few ratio
And
of all,
and sir, can you
of all
repeat the
three.
question again?
Few ratios from all these 3 categories.
Sir,
Few
Two-
ratios from all these 3 categories. with
2
the
ratios
formula.
from all these. Okay, sir.
Chalega. No problem.
So balance sheet, there is current asset, current ratio. Balance sheet, there is current ratio, and quick ratio. Huh?
Perfectly all right.
Sir,
Go.
audio is hello.
मैं म्यूट करके रखता हूँ ना, जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ.
Balance sheet that much, and then profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, we have a stock turnover ratio. Then we have a working capital ratio, working capital, stock turnover ratio. Also, hello.
Yeah, you continue with that. I'm listening you.
Audio issue. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
I'm listening you.
Balance.
I'm keeping my mic off when I'm.
Oh, acha. Okay. So, sir, you are saying any 2 ratios of each kind, right? From each
Yeah,
type.
combined is yet to be explained to them.
Combined means basically we use the figures from the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, both. So that's why it's known as combined, because it uses figures from both of these. So, and there are many combined issues like the debtors turnover ratio, return on capital employed, and return on assets, like that. So basically, it
Very
uses
good.
both the figures from balance sheet and the profit and loss.
Very good. See, I want this kind of confidence and response from all of you. And I hope in other two topic also, Sri Hari, you must have done the things. Any problem
Yes, sir.
like those two children had few problems, like one had in ARR, others he had in IRR. Likewise, up to
That I understood. It's basically the formula, only
yeah, all
formula based.
chapters are
So it's
formula based. Absolutely right.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, I had a doubt actually. Ki cash flow mein
Hmm.
we have the direct method as well?
No, only S3,
Only the indirect method.
indirect wala.
Right. Acha, acha.
Okay.
So, any more questions?
No, 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 no. Very good, very good. Superb. I'm very happy.
Starting में थोड़ा I messed up, sir, because I was
It's
not
okay.
able to hear you. Audio उतना clear नहीं था. And
No, no, no. Much better.
my room has connectivity issues actually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's same,
So
same
that's why.
problem everywhere. Okay. I think our timing is over. Now we'll be meeting
Hello.
at 9 o'clock. Other student, I'm giving you time. Next time we'll go reverse way. You keep it things ready, and the assessment will be like this only. And I expect all of you to present, not the student who have given the exam. They are not exempted. They also need to be there from 9 onward session. Am I very clear? Because you learn.